Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel Bumble subscription. So for that, first of all, go ahead and simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Go ahead and simply tap on your Apple ID right over here. Inside your Apple ID, simply tap on subscription. So once you're inside here, you will then be able to find all of your active subscription and the expired ones. Inside here, if you have the Bumble subscription, you will then be able to find Bumble. Go ahead and tap onto it. And just like that, once you tap on Bumble, go ahead and simply tap on cancel subscription and then confirm it. You'll remain subscribed until the next billing date. And just like that, you'll then be able to cancel subscription on Bumble. Also, deleting the Bumble app does not cancel subscription. Apple still holds it through your Apple ID. And after you have cancelled your subscription, you will be downgraded to Bumble's free basic plan. That means no more premium feature, but your profile stays active unless you delete it separately. And that is simply how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.